Hello, my name is Sananda Franklin, and I will be starting this new video blog series called Diary of a Future Audiologist. In this video series, I will be talking about different audiology related topics, not only about hearing aid repairs and maintenance, but also I hope that this video series will be a resource for audiology students. So a little bit about my background about myself is that I actually graduated from the University of Texas at Austin in May of 2017, with my bachelor's in communication sciences and disorders, and I specialized in audiology. Now, I have been most recently been working at an audiology clinic within Texas as an audiology assistant since about 8 months now. So I started working there in August of 2018. So I currently hold my license as an audiology assistant within the state of Texas underneath the licensed audiologist, and I also currently hold a hearing aid dispensing internship. And basically what this means is that the audiology assistant certification is really there for hearing aid repairs, maintenance, and then you can set up equipment for testing for the audiologist, and you can also test people's hearing, but you can't do like bone conduction, so you can't like diagnose people with hearing loss. But then the hearing aid dispensing certification is really, I'm learning how to program and fit hearing aids on patients. I can't diagnose them with a hearing loss, but basically I can sell them a hearing aid. But I'm learning how to program and fit hearing aids on our patients. So, as well as I will actually be attending Idaho State University's graduate program in audiology in the fall of 2019. So I'm very excited for that. So just for your information, just FYI, I am not an audiologist. I am just an audiology student. I'm an audiology technician. I know a lot about audiology, but I'm not an audiologist. So if there are any questions that I do not feel comfortable with answering, I would suggest you ask the closest available audiologist that you have. But I do have a lot of information that I would like to share with not only consumers, clients, patients, but also with also for audiology students. So that's something I hope to do in the future. So where I got this idea from is that I've been talking to my current boss, and we've kind of like been talking back and forth over a series of several months, and we both kind of like agree that there needs to be education on audiology topics, especially maintenance and repair of hearing aids for our patients. We are a very rural clinic. It takes most people at least an hour in order to come into our office and get their hearing aids repaired or maintenance, and oftentimes it's really just things that they can do themselves. Also, many of our patients have ongoing medical issues, and along with that, with the natural, cognitive decline or memory issues, a lot of our clients seem to forget how to like repair and like maintain their hearing aids. As people become older, maybe our patients, may not remember what we say to them, and that kind of like first consultation in the office, especially if they're new hearing aid wearers. If patients have strokes or other kind of disability, maybe, or impairment, maybe it'll like prevent them from like being able to like, maintain that themselves. So this is kind of like, this video would be a good resource for family members or friends to help out those clients. Again, this video series will just be an additional resource along with that kind of like first consultation. So cleaning and repairing hearing aids is like changing the oil on a car. You can do it yourself, or you can have your audiologist or audiology technician do it for you. Now, that being said, some patients have more earwax than others, and so then their hearing aids need to be maintained more often. It's not a hygiene thing, it's just the way your body is. It's just a gland thing. So we are hoping that this video can be a very good educational and informational resource in addition to that. So we're hoping to use this video series as a platform on social media or Facebook, so that way we can teach our clients rather than trying to fix hearing aids over the phone or giving them more information or having them, like I said, drive that hour here and hour back for something that is like literally takes 5 minutes that you can do yourself. So hopefully it'll be good and informational for you guys. Again, the topics that I'm going to be covering are hearing aid repairs and maintenance, as well as topics covering audiology related issues or topics in the future for audiology students. And I hope that these will be a great resource for you and will be informative in terms of like you learning more about hearing healthcare. I look forward to your feedback. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any topics that you would like to be covered, please post them and I will see what I can do. Please hit the subscribe button. I would really, really, really appreciate that. Again, I am not an audiologist. I'm just a technician and I will be a student. But I still have really great information to share with you about the future. So thank you and have a great day.